Welcome to GC Cars. My name is Eric, and today we got this 2021 Kia Seltos SX Turbo, and we are going to take a little drive in it, and we're going to test how good it's not self-driving, but the highway driving assist and the lane keep assist, because Hyundai Kia has a really good system, and I just figured I use it a lot while driving, so might as well show it to you today. Let's unlock it. I've driven the route we're driving now plenty of times with this, and it's been doing a pretty good job. But remember, it's not an autonomous system. It's not made for self-driving. At all times you have to be ready to grab the wheel. You keep your hands on the wheel, essentially. I'm just doing it like this, so you can see that I'm literally not giving it an input. Be ready to brake, all that. It's not autonomous, trust me. Can't snap out of it. How about no? Okay. Let me just skip ahead so you don't have to wait at all. So we have two different systems. We have the lane keep assist, which can be activated with this button down here. And we have our highway driving assist, which can be activated with the steering wheel button right up there. This button here, the highway driving assist, actually keeps you centered in the road, well, tries to at least. Most of the time it does a really good job, but I've had it occasionally just be super jerky and not really do its job at all. But that just proves the point that it's not an autonomous system. I just figured it was worthwhile showing it off because it's actually pretty cool when it works. And definitely pump up the cruise control so it drives up to the next car. Okay, it did it. I was just a bit I didn't like that. I was a bit close. But considering it's a lane keep assist, like I said, it's not an autonomous driving system. It is really good for that. It just wanted me to drive the wheeler. It is extremely good for that. Look at this. It's driving like I'm not giving any inputs. This is all car right now. I'm just ready to brake, ready to steer, ready to accelerate if needed, but everything that's happening right now is the car. Let's give it a little jerk so it knows I'm here. There we go, nice and smooth. That's how it's supposed to be done. Yeah, we just started in a really bad spot, which was really treacherous, especially for a car like this that doesn't have the most advanced systems. Like, almost every car would struggle there. Pretty much every car. That's fine, so. This is more appropriate and like a better example of what a highway normally looks like, so here you can definitely see, geez, cruise control is pretty aggressive. So here you can see it definitely doing a way better job now. I just want to make sure we got enough room for that fit on the left side. Taking the corners well. Little jerky here. Let me just take over. Get past this car. And hand controls back to the Kia. Solid again now. And I've used these systems in a few cars, in a few Hyundai Kia cars, Genesis too. And trust me, it's really nice too. If you're on a long drive, just to be able to let the car do most of the driving and just relax for a little bit. Of course, you still have to make sure that the car does its job, because occasionally it doesn't react to something and you have to step in. But it's a great system. I love it. And as you can see, like this is, I'm still not giving an input. This is pretty cool. I want my hands. All right, here you go. It's a very good system. Not autonomous, but it's a very good system. I just wanted to show you. I just wanted to show it off, basically. I just wanted to give a little showcase of this system while we have the car. Also pretty much found a pretty good way we can test these systems now, because it's not easy at all. The road we took today. Also, of course, I got a full review of this car. You find it in the top right hand corner. There you can see all my thoughts and everything about the car and if I like it or not. That's actually our exit here. We saw what we wanted to see, and disable every system because I do not like systems interfering with my driving. And yeah, that was a little showcase. I'm gonna go ahead and start filming the review now. So if you liked it, I'd love if you maybe subscribe or leave a thumbs up. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.